Good morning.
Good
Hi
morning.
guys. Good morning. Hi guys. Good morning. Let's go.
Saan ka magpunta?
Good morning everyone. Today is the day. Makikita na kami ng Philippine Embassy guys. Kukunin ko na po yung passport ko doon. Tapos magdiretso na po kami sa Japan Embassy para ng aking visa pa Japan. Ano kayang mangyayari doon? Ano kayang reaksyon nila? So, nga nangyari ba doon sa Philippine Embassy? Good luck. Si mamang pa, sabi niya pa, positive lang. Kayo na nga, baka hindi ko tayo papasukin. Diba? Di positive lang nga naman. Laban kayo sa baon namin, guys. Oh. Sa Dutch country man tayo. Mga baon dito tinapay, hindi kanin. Mga prutas. Tapos yung tinapay pa, oh. Mga saging at saka cookies ni Nathan. Kain na muna ako. Ready na po ang lahat. Si Bianan pala ang pupunta dito. Hindi pala kami ang susundo sa kanya. Are we using our car, mahal? Or Vika's car? Vika's car? Oh, our car? Magsalitan po yan sila ng drive ng nanay niya. Thank you for the love and care. Bye-bye. Ano na guys? Vika, thank you so much.
Yeah. Did you do the alarm?
Yeah. Thank you, Vika. I have a lot of bread. Alas 8 na guys, wala pa ding sun. Paakyat pa lang. Kanina pa po kami nagda-drive. 2 hours and 30 minutes, more than 2 hours and 30 minutes the driving, mahal.
Yeah, yes, because it's busier now.
Yeah.
So it's more long drive. Yeah, I'm getting coffee.
Okay. Yeah.
You stay?
Yeah, we're staying. No, my love, thank you. Meron ng pasaging dito si Nathan, guys. Na sila, mag-change position. Tapos bibili ng coffee si Daniel. Kaantok pa, guys. Na-try nyo na ba yung nag-alarm ako ng alas 6. Alam nyo, nung oras ako nagising, 5:58. Di pa ang alarm ko. Nagising na po ako. Masarap ba yung banana mo? Magpalit na po sila si Vika na naman ang mag-drive kay si Daniel na na siya ba, parang nafe-feel niya na sa tiyan niya na parang daw yung stress. Natawa si Bianan kay Nathan ba? Alam niyo bakit tinanong siya saan magpunta? Saan tayo magpunta sa? Anong kunin mo doon sa Den Haag? Kay tinanong po siya ni Bianan kung saan kami pupunta. Sabi niya magkuha daw kami ng passport. Tinapay na naman ang tinitira niya, oh.
Ik zet hem wel even in zijn vrij voor je.
Parang nag-ano siya. Driving lesson, guys. Nag-stop na naman kami, guys. Kasi to ang sasakyan po namin ang gamit, no? Hindi sanay si Bianan. Naninibago po siya. Inayos yung mga side mirror. Kamusta, bebe love? Okay ka lang dyan? Okay ka lang?
Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
30 minutes na lang guys. Nakatulog na po ako.
Let's go water, mama.
You want water? Sure.
Yeah.
Dali. Nakabahan na tayo guys. Baka makatahin na naman tayo ba? Tinulog ko good. Pagising ko lang. Nakatulog ako siguro mga 1 oras din. 15 minutes! What do you think? Are they letting us in?
Of course.
Of course! Are you excited, mahal?
What do you think? Will they give you your passport before 11?
Dito na tayo guys. Nabahan ako ba? Papasukin man siguro tayo. Mabait man yan sila dyan. Mabait man yan kay mga Pilipino baya. Diba Nathan? Right? Sabi mo right. Right. Sama ka.
Sama.
Oh, sama ka. Kaya ikaw ang panagang namin.
Sama, uwi.
Sama, uy. Sama ka?
Yeah.
Uwi.
Sama, uy. Dito na tayo, guys. Oh, there. This one?
Is this small door?
Yeah. Good morning po. Garnet Ruperto, kukuha ko ng passport. Sabi ko sa inyo, mabait sila eh. Nakuha ko ng passport ko, guys. Ako, humingi na lang din po ako ng pasensya ba. Hindi naman namin napag-usapan. Sabi lang ni sir, mabait talaga yun si sir. Mabait yun siya. Siya din po ang kumuha ng picture ko. Grabe, kaganda. You know, I'm super first time in my life. I'm super beautiful in my picture in the passport, man. Yeah, I'm so happy.
You had a passport picture before. You look like a boy.
Wow! Kaganda ko sa picture ngayon. Para akong artista, guys. As in. Mabait talaga yung sister. Siya din po yung nakausap ko mga ilang times na pumunta ako dyan. No? Yeah, super fine. Yeah, Bly. Sabi pa ni sir na familiar. No. You know, but I still ask, what is that? Ano ba ang pasensya? Like, sorry, something like that. Like that it happened.
Maar ja, dat was jouw schuld niet. Dat was hun schuld.
Yeah.
Maar goed.
That is fine. At nilagay na nila sa sobre, guys. Kaya padala na din sana. Ganyan talaga pag masyado tayong mabait. Ayoko na ng mga stress-stress, guys. Kaya nakuha ko ng passport ko. Diretso na po tayo ng Japan Embassy. Kuha na din po ako ng aking visa. Thank you, sir. Kung pinapanood nyo po ang vlog ko. Andito na tayo, guys. May pumipila sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Japan Embassy. Hello? Saan ka? It's for Japan, eh?
I hope it'll stay dry.
For Japan, baby love. Yeah.
It's America.
Yeah. Mga ano po, mga embassy po talaga dito, no? Yan. Ibang embassy. Ano, parang, ay, that looks like Germany. Not sure. And this one is America. Nawawala ang mga sakop ko, guys. Tapos na ako. Kulang bayad. Kuya ko, in fairness. Libre ang visa nila. Wala po akong binayaran doon. Asan yun sila? Hindi kasi makapasok sila, Daniel, sa ayun. Kita ko na. Going there. I saw you. I love you. Yeah. Going there. Thank you, Lord. Balik po ako doon sa February 4. Balik po tayo para kunin ang passport. I miss you! Ay, parang nakakita ng artista ang anak ko. Ka-happy ba? No need to pay, mahal.
What?
No need to pay.
Okay.
Yeah, not allowed to have your bag inside. They gave me G4, yeah, locker like that.
Yeah, and they had you walk through a metal detector.
Yeah.
I saw.
Yeah,
And
metal
now
detector.
everything is okay?
Yeah, and I need to go back here February 4. I'll just go with the train
Oh, waarom?
to get the passport.
Jongen.
Ja, jongen, jongen.
Ik dacht, ze zetten een stempeltje in je
No,
paspoort. Klaar is, Kees.
Nee, joh, heb je nog nooit een visum gehaald?
Ja.
it's not just a stamp. Kala ni Bian ang stamp lang.
Dat staat nog op de hand, hè?
Wait na tayo, yun lang yun, guys. Uwi na po kami. Uy, na-miss mo
Oh,
ako.
nou moet even.
Papa.
I miss you too.
Kika.
Oh, Kisha, you want fruit? I have mandarin. I have mandarin for you. You want water?
Papa.
Look. Kahapi ng anak ko, guys. Oh. Masaya ka nakuha ni mama ang passport.
To the parking thing and I paid. So 2 minutes after they took a picture with the car, I have that we paid. So now if they send us a fine, I can tell them I was walking to the machine to pay when you
Yo.
did that. So I don't think we will get the fine.
Okay.
Because it was quick enough.
Ayaw mo? Hello, na ano? Magbayad daw ng fine. Why, mahal? Because of the parking?
Yeah, the car was, Vika was saying like, I'm parked here and I see that. And I'm telling, did you pay? Because they are coming to check right now with the camera card.
Yeah.
And then, no, I did not pay.
78 euros.
Yeah, but I was fast, so
Yeah.
I paid very quickly.
Hindi yan makabayad. Oy. Pwede man yun isabi doon na naglalakad na si Daniel para magbayad. Ha? Bechaner house? Yeah, Bechaner house. Really?
Mama.
Okay. Mama? Andito na lang man din tayo sa Den Haag, guys. Pupuntahan na lang natin yung dati pong tinitirhan ni Danya. Nakapunta din po tayo dati doon ng mga
When was that? It's like 2 years ago we went there too, right, Mahal? Yung sa apartment po na tinirhan niya. How long were you living there, Mahal? Like 5 months?
No.
Years.
Years?
2 years. Yes.
2 years you were there?
Yes.
In Den Haag?
No.
Ay, in Gouda?
Yeah.
Okay. Tapos nakapunta ako doon, guys, kasi nag-tourist po ako dito 3 months. So, doon pa po yan siya nakatira. Doon din yan siya yung naglip-in siya ba? Makikita ninyo. Gouda! Naalala ko, guys, yung dito na side dito ako nagbabike noon. Papunta po sa ano tawag dyan? Nagbabike po ako dito dati papunta sa paaralan kasi nag-ano ako ng language dito sa Glim. Nag-aral po ako ng language. This is new?
No, this is not new. This is old.
I've been here? I think so. Oh yeah, I've been here. Yeah. Kasi dati pa lang po, pagdating ko dito, nag-study na ako because when I went back to Manila, nag-ano po agad ako, nag-exam para sa aking visa pabalik po dito, no. So dumating ako ng Pilipinas mga March, bumalik ako dito December, nagsama na kami ni Daniel. How? You see that, everyone? Pero nung nag-aral ako dito, mga ano lang, 3 meetings. Hindi ko nagustuhan kasi mas gusto ko po ng self-study. Usapan na naman ng ex ni Daniel. Kanina nung nasa ano po kami nasa sasakyan. Kasi nga nag-ano po sila dito nag-live-in sila ng 3 months. Tapos ngayon napag-usapan na masaya siya na nangyari lahat yung nangyari sa kanila ng ex niya. Naghiwalay sila, na niloko po siya. Kasi ngayon sabi niya pa, oh, kita mo naman. I have a beautiful son. Ginano niya talaga ang nanay niya. And a very, very sweet, loving wife. Siyempre, kinilig tayo. Walang himala. Ang himala ay nasa langit. My brother is not a fake. Dito pala si Nora eh. Tingnan nyo guys, maganda tong dito na side. Alam nyo nung nag-tourist ako dito? Yeah, very beautiful art. Nung nag-tourist po ako dito, hindi ako masyadong lumalabas. Maglabas lang ako kay mag-ano. Wow! Kaya kas na, Oma. Bili ako klaupan, bebe lab. Maglakad ka? Ano yun, hindi ako masyado pong lumalabas dito, no? Maglabas lang ako kay mag-grocery. Pero yung magala-gala, hindi. Siguro takot din ako ba? First time ko makapunta ng Europe nung time na yun. Fake flowers.
Het is een leuke winkel.
Yeah.
Daarbovenop met dingetjes.
Ah, they also have fake plants inside.
This is a fake plant store.
Ah, it's all fake.
It looks like.
Yeah. Maganda daw sabi niya. Yeah, sure.
Oké. Ga je erin?
Ja, als jij de deur open doet. Zo.
Mooi hoor.
Wow. All the flowers in the world. Magkano din? Ah, 10 euros. 10 euros para sa ganito, guys. Isa lang yun ha, 10 euros ha. Oo. 10 euros, mahal.
Maar wel mooi.
Yeah, mooi. Mooi hoor. Hala, I like that. Oh, hala. How much is that?
Wat doe je?
The plant there. Is that real?
Wauw, wat
Fake din siya, guys. Nagustuhan ni Piana. Oh, may mga scarves sila dito. First time kong pasok dito. 3 months ako nagano dito ha, nag-tourist. Wala lang, mag-grocery lang po ako. Ha? Yeah. Very good.
Nice. Oh, look. Dan heb je het zo in het paas. Prachtig.
Yeah. Yeah, mooi, Wika.
Ja.
So, mooi hoor. Ito naman.
Dan hoef je
tingnan.
nooit meer bloemen te kopen.
14 euros. This is also mooi. Kahit ganun siya kamahal, guys, magamit mo naman siya forever, di ba? Pa-candles din sila. Hala! Looks so real! Wow!
Ja, dit is wel een idee.
Bagong bilya, guys. Bagong bilya. This is an idea daw, sabi ni Bianan. I like that too. The Gouda is city of cheese, city of candles, and city of
Stroopwafels.
stroopwafels. Ah, the waffle.
Yeah. Or so, as the English, like the English-speaking people like to call it, stroopwafel.
And the English people call this Gouda, but it's Gouda. Gouda. Hindi yan Gouda cheese, guys. It's not Gouda cheese, it's Gouda. Gouda kaas.
It's Goudse kaas.
Goudse kaas. Yeah. Magbalik daw kami dito mamaya. Bili ata si Bianan. Then you don't need to buy anymore. Kaya palagi ba yan siya mga
Kunnen we wel even
Pilipino.
vragen of ze op assisteren en iemand een stukje schikkers.
Because it really looks real Vika like this. Yeah.
I like the idea too.
Yeah. Me too. Maybe we can buy two.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Then you don't buy me any more flowers. Alam niyo yung ano, it's fake but it looks super real. Kaya babalik tayo, bibili din po ako. Kaya hindi na tayo magbili-bili palagi ng flowers. Magkano ang flowers? Grabe, 21 euros po dami. 21 euros. Late talaga tayo dito kay sinabihan na nila ang tindera na pwede nyo ba kaming tulungan na maghanap mamaya ng magandang mga flowers kaya para ano ba idea. Ito din. Para talaga siyang totoo guys. Pati ang daon. Makadasinatan. Narado na. Bankrupt naman po. Bankrupt na sila dito guys. Maliit lang to siya na ano na pa-city po nila dito. Ayan, pa-cheese store po nila dito. City of ano nga to siya guys? City of cheese. Wow, beautiful. Doy! Wow! Here, baby love, here. Kay. Wala! One more man. Bye!
Daar is echt de kaas.
Oh, yeah. They make the cheese there, right? It's like,
No,
they weigh the cheese there.
and you can buy it.
Diyan, oh. And you can buy it daw. Wow, 360 guys. Diyan ako palagi nag-grocery. Tapos ikot lang dito, uwi na. Hindi ko to siya na ano talaga dati no na explore ang Gouda. Takot din po ako. Magala-gala nga. Hello! Picture sila ng nanay niya. Dali na! Deze kant op!
Die zijn al met vogeltjes.
Nag-enjoy talaga siya. Mahal, can you give him one bread, Mahal? So he can feed them, Mahal?
Haal je er een stukje vanaf, zo? Zo. Wat kleine stukjes vanaf.
Kleine stukjes, hè? Wow! Meer. Wow! Hala! Baka papasok daw tayo dyan, oh. Sabi ni Daniel. What is this, Mahal? What is that? What is that? The government house. Parang ano ba? Municipal hall nila? Wow! Good so, baby love. Yeah. Kijk, Nathan, kijk! Yan po yung church. May subway din po sila dito. Picture ang lola niya. Ayan po siya, oh. Wow. Look at that, everyone. windy. Hindi ko nadala ang ano ko, ang mic. Bad trip, makatulong sana yun sa hangin. Agoy, natumba si Nathan. He fell. Maliit lang itong masyadong mga shop-shop nila dito. Oh. Restaurant. Kayo na mag-adjust sa hangin, guys. Where are we going, my love?
Oh yeah?
Mahal? Where are we going? Oh, game store. Oh, syempre. Of course. Oh, meron din po silang ano dito, Asian shop. Baka makadaan po tayo. Yeah. Asian shop. Where was that, Mahal? The Asian shop? Near here, right? Oh, milk tea! Who wants milk tea?
Oh,
You want milk tea?
Appa.
Okay. Yeah. I want milk tea. Yeah. It's closed. Look.
Oh, what's it here? Oh.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh. It's closed. Halika, maghanap tayo ng iba. Ito naman. Doner kebab. Ewan, kay sabi nila mag-inom-inuman daw kami ng tea. Magdaan din po kami doon sa tea shop. May paboritong tea shop dito si Daniel. Bili tayo ng tea.
Oh, mobile pack.
Wala, sarado daw ang ano. Ang paborito niyang store, ang kanyang palasyo. Wow! Uy, persikta ka eh. Ingat ka. Yeah, moy. Moy pala, boy. It's closed, Mahal?
Only open on Saturday between 1 and 5. They changed the times.
That's good. Always closed. Everything is closed.
Everything is closed.
Even Sunday, it's closed.
This is a Christmas package.
Yeah. Yeah. Tama si Bianan, guys, because it's very Christian, is that tika? Christian city, this one. Close po sila ng Sunday. Kaya pag Sunday, umuwi kami doon sa Liwarden kay Bianan dati. Kita nyo, di ba, kakaiba? Hindi busy ang kanilang city. Baby love, okay ka lang? Anong gusto mo inumin? Wala man tayong milk tea.
I told him he's not allowed to run because the bicycles are here, even though they're not allowed to be here.
Oh, yeah. Kaya
And I had
ganyan.
to grab him. He almost jumped in front of the
Milk
car.
tea.
Wala silang milk tea. Close sila.
Milk tea.
Agoy. Dali na doon tayo. Hanap tayo ng mainom. Here?
Biologisch, vegetarisch.
Oh, lekker.
Lekker?
Yeah, that can.
What does he call that, vegan?
Yeah.
Sounds like something that like why
No
it's
egg.
not-
No egg. That's with no vegan chicken. I don't want vegan chicken.
Coffee and cake is what.
Yeah. I want a cake with the... Order ako, guys. Banana cake. Walang itlog. Vegan po sila dito. Excited na masyado siya.
Denken erover. Oh, jij hebt lekker...
Dali, tikman mo kung masarap. Walang egg, no egg.
Ga eerst toch even lekker.
Agoy. Yun lang. Hindi type ni Nathan, guys. You want to try mo, Han? Ano kasi siya? Pang sakla ba? Pang sa Bisaya ka.
What is that face?
It's nice with this one. The
What is that? What is that, Mama?
Het is een partyspelletje.
masarap siya, guys. In fairness. Sapla lang yung mga nasa side. Pero yung sa gitna niya masarap. Yung dito ba? Picture.
Smells good.
Wow, smells
Want to
good.
try?
With kimchi? No, I don't want. I'm full. Tingnan nyo, guys.
What is this?
With kimchi.
Ja, dat is wel handig.
It's with kimchi, Mama.
Should be kimchi on there.
Ja.
So they don't have meat here, Mahal.
Is it for Oma?
No, but this is with goat's cheese.
Ah, good.
This one is vegetarian, not vegan.
Vegetarian pala sila, guys, not vegan.
Yeah, the kimchi.
Lekker, Bika?